These are our new coin door combination locks. All combination locks will come in this orientation as they should go in the door. They all come with this nut, little spacer, and this cam with its screw, and obviously the face plate where you have your combo. All of these locks come with the combo set as 000. They will open at 000. They are locked at anything outside of that. If you want to change that number, all you have to do is set it at its unlocked position at 000 and push a pin to this little hole. You'll feel a little click. You'll feel it engage, and then you can change that combo to anything you want. Pull it out. Your new combination is set. You can change that around. So now if we go back to 000, it's locked. 900, it's open. For installation, what you're going to want to do is take that black spacer, place it on the lock as you put it through the door. That way the face of the lock can stand off the face of the door just a little bit, give it a cleaner look. Then you put that nut on in the back, make sure it's tight. Then you're going to want to screw the cam on with the screw. Make sure to hold the handle of the lock so that it doesn't twist and turn on you. After that, you are all set and you got a combination door lock.